Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be budgeting and cash stuffing my paycheck for the month of July, and I also have another income from my business, and I thought of adding this business income as well into today's video instead of making two different videos, and therefore the amount that I'll be working with is 38,000 rupees. Like always, general savings is getting 3800, which is 10% of the total amount. PPF is getting 2660, which is 7% of 38,000. Business fund is getting 2400, which is 30% of the business income. And when we add all this, the total amount is 8,860. 8,860 minus 38,000, the remaining balance is 29,140 rupees. Into my fixed expenses, LIC gets its usual 2460. Professional development is getting 500 rupees. Initially, I was thinking of putting 1,000 into professional development fund each month, but then I changed my mind and I will only allocate 500 rupees. And if ever I have to go for a workshop or if I want to attend any extra courses, I will just cash flow the money at that time. Siblings fund will get 1,000 rupees. Room rent is getting 4,500, and ration also I've increased. I usually set aside 4,000 rupees for ration, but everything is getting too expensive and I have realized that 4,000 is not enough. So I have increased it by 500 rupees, and I'll just see if this is enough or not, and then we'll change accordingly. And so when we add all this up, the total comes to 12,960 rupees, and 12,960 minus 29,140, the remaining balance is 16,180. So into my variable expenses, I have budgeted out 13,300 rupees. I am not going into all the subcategories one by one because I will be stuffing the money, and so we'll go through it at that time. 13,300 rupees, when we subtract that from 16,180, the remaining balance is 2,880 rupees. So a few days back I had to fund for an unbudgeted expense which was 1,900 rupees, and instead of dipping into my savings category, I just took that 1,900 rupees from car maintenance category because I had some money there. And today I am just cash flowing it back because I have extra money here. So 1,900 rupees will be put back into my car maintenance category, and therefore 1,900 rupees minus 2,880, the remaining balance is 980, and the amount that I'll be putting into paying my debt off is 980 rupees. And so that way the remaining balance is 0. All the highlighted categories, they stay in the bank. I do not take them out, and therefore the amount that's needed to stuff the envelopes is 13,300. I have it here, 13,300 minus subscription 1,000 and buffer 400, that's 1,400. The amount I get is 11,900 rupees. But I already filled petrol into my car, and there have been an expenditure, and that was 2,820 rupees, and therefore the amount that is needed to stuff into my variable expenses category is 9,080 rupees. Also, this 1,900 that I am putting back into my car maintenance category will be added to this, and so the total is 10,980 rupees. So I have the money here, and let's keep this account together. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 900, 50, 60, 70 and 80, 10,980 rupees. So household is getting 2,200. I have only 20 rupees remaining in my household category. So now in household I have 1,000, 2,000, 220. 2,220 in household. Petrol and parking, I had budgeted 4,300 rupees, but like how I said before, I already spent 2,820 to buy petrol, and therefore now I'll be stuffing 1,480 into it. So yeah, this is 1,000, 12, 14, 50, 60, 70, 80. 1,480 rupees in petrol and parking. Spending is getting 700. So now in spending I have 5, 7, 9, 20, 40, 60, 960 rupees in spending. Self-care will be getting 100 rupees. So now 600 is there in self-care category. Giving is getting 300. So now in giving I have 5, 7, 8, 9. 900 rupees in giving. Personal will be getting 1,400. So in personal now I have 1,000, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18. 1,800 in personal. Wardrobe is getting 700. 6, 7. This 10 rupees goes into my challenge, 10 rupees savings challenge. So now in wardrobe I have 1,000, 2,000 and 200. 2,200 in wardrobe. I remember I had 10 rupees in my petrol and parking as well. I'll be taking this out. Wardrobe is done. Now in medical, 250. 250. So now in medical I have 1,000, 15, 17, 18, 19. 1,900 in medical. Car maintenance is getting 600. $600 in car maintenance, and also the 1,900 that I'm supposed to put back into this category. 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So now in car maintenance I have a total amount of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 50 rupees. 3,550 in car maintenance. Family is getting 1,000 rupees. So now in family I have 1,000, 20, 40, 60. 1,060 rupees in family. Pets is getting 100 rupees. And now in pets I have 1,100 rupees. And N will be getting the last 250. So now in N I have 5, 7, 8, 9, 50, 70. 970 in N. Into my 10 rupees savings challenge, I am putting 30 rupees this time. And this is done for the stuffing part. So lastly, I also want to share with you all the zip envelopes that arrived yesterday. Here is the package. I placed an order on 15th of June and it arrived yesterday. Yesterday was the 11th of July. So we can say that it took roughly 1 month for it to arrive here. I am from the northeastern part of India, and maybe that's the reason also why it took so much time. And these are delivered from the Indian postal system, and they don't come through private courier services. This is a set of 6 envelopes. I have already opened the package and I've seen it. They cost 799, but along with the delivery charge and everything, the total amount that I paid for it was 1097 rupees. I have put this here to cover the address and everything. So yeah, these are the envelopes. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 envelopes. The sizes are the same. I did compare with it. You can see that the size is the same, the exact same size. This is the A6 size. The material is also all same. It's soft and it's bendable. So I will be sharing the links below. Also the link to this binder and the black binder that I have. I'll be sharing the links to all of them in the description below. I hope that the links can be of help to you. But they do take time to arrive. Even the black binder set that I have, it took 2 months. It took 2 months to arrive, and I was not even expecting it after 2 months. But then it did arrive and I'm grateful for it. So that's all I have for today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and until the next time, take care and bye-bye.